This is nuts, bro. Look at this. What? Holy shit, dude. That's like an old pile on top of a new pile, right? New pile on top of an old pile.
That's some new shit, bro.
Wow. That's fucking crazy, bro. I'm gonna walk the streets. This guy's stuck over here. He's got his flashes on. This is crazy. Everything's a white out over here. This is crazy, right?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Where are you? It's late. It's a white out outside. What are you doing? Shit. Hello? I'm actually heading back to the car right now and heading home. So I should be there in 10 minutes. I'm outside right now, but I'm heading to the car right now. Like I'm 2 blocks, not even a block away from the car. And then I'm coming home 10 minutes. What? I got what I got. Alright. Alright, 10 minutes. Alright. Bye. Craziness. Wow. Holy shit, dude. What? This is how long it's been since we parked the car. This is crazy. Look what the car looks like. None of that heat mattered. It cooled right off quick. Wow, man. That's gonna be tough getting out of that shit. But I'll get out of it. It's not that bad. It's still soft. Alright, let's shut this off.